Guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. Today we are going to be going through all of the awesome items that I got from Target and Amazon for my pantry organization haul. So basically, I have really been looking forward to getting some organization items for my pantry and for my kitchen overall. And I've been finding items here and there, and I'm just really excited about them and wanted to share them with you. This is a huge haul of different items, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing is these canisters that I got from Target. It has a glass bottom and a wooden top, and I am really excited about this because it really has that clean organic look to it. So you're going to be able to see whatever it is that you have inside this canister, and it does come in different sizes. I did get them in different sizes, so I got it in this really large size, which I want to say it's like 105 ounces or something, and this was $17. And then this other size here, this is actually the third size. So there is a size in between these two that I do not have currently. It just hasn't been delivered yet. And then there is also an even smaller size that I got. So in comparison to the really large one, you can see here, and then you can also compare it to this other size. So the really large one is the first size, this one here is the third, and this one here is the fourth and smallest size that they have. But I just really like it. It's really aesthetically pleasing. I do like the wood tones on the top and then the glass on the bottom. So looking forward to putting some flour and sugar and different things in here, and also possibly putting some labels on them because we do have little kids, so we do like labels, just because when someone else babysits or takes care of them, they're able to know what's in that jar. The other items that I got from Target include this oil dispenser. So I did get two of these. It's $4 each, and I'm really excited about them because when I'm cooking, I do like an oil dispenser right next to me so that I don't have to go into the pantry to get oil and come back out. It just makes my life a little bit easier. So I did get two of these, and they were $4 each. And I also got them in a different size. So there's this other one here. It still has some of like the little bubble styrofoam on it. I just opened it. But these are a little bit different because you can push this little black lever here and then it'll open up. So I'm thinking I'm probably gonna put like syrup in this, things that our kids use multiple times a week, or that we as a family use multiple times a week, just for easier dispensing, and it just looks nicer in this bottle. So compared to the first one, this one is about, I wanna say this one is 17 ounces and this one is 8 ounces. So you can see the size difference in these two, and you can also see how the spouts are different in both of them. This one's just kind of open and always ready to go, and then this one's got a little lever that sort of has a cover piece to it that you can open and close. So I think I'm gonna put some like condiment type things in these just because they do have a cover to them. Next, I got this wooden cookbook stand from Target, and I am obsessed with it. I love the wood tone, but what really stands out to me is the brass shelf here that the book is gonna sit on. So I'm really excited about that because the accent in my kitchen is black and brass. So I think this is just, it's gonna look phenomenal when I do put it out. So this was another item that I got. It was $20, and yeah, it's really pretty. I'm looking forward to using it. Next, we also got a cookbook. I actually got this cookbook from Target. It's called the Half-Baked Harvest. I'm really excited about it because I'm always looking for new recipes on, for vegetables and things, just because you make the same vegetables all the time. You get bored of them, and especially when, we're trying to eat clean and eat better. So I'm excited to try all of the new recipes that are in this book. I don't recall how much it was, but I think it was like $20 or $25. So I'm really excited about this cookbook, and even more excited to be able to use it on the stand eventually. So this was a really good purchase for me, not only for organization and better eating, but also just the aesthetics of it. It's really beautiful. So it serves multiple purpose, which I love. So next, we're gonna move on to some of the items that I got from Amazon. I do have some other items that I got from Target, but those are not kitchen related items. So as I get some of my other decor pieces, I'll probably do like a decor haul for Target. But I wanted to show you some of the other things I got from Amazon. So I got these salt and pepper shakers here. These are from Amazon, and they're just really cute. They have these really organic and also a little bit of an industrial feel to it based on this little top up here. The top of it is a brass color, but it's not like it doesn't have as much of like a brassy or gold hue as some of the other items that are in my kitchen. So, but I do like the color variation. I do like the different variations in brass when it comes to these little decor items, just because it does add to it, and that variation does give some depth and just make it look more seamless. So I'm really excited to try this out. One is a salt grinder and the other is a pepper grinder. Again, I think I'll just be able to leave these out all the time because they're pretty, but then they're functional because when I'm cooking, I can easily just access them. Next, I have this canisters or storage containers that I also got from Amazon. Now, they did come in a big box. Let me see if I can find the box. So the box was this big. It did come in a big box, and they came in varying sizes. And so I plan to use this in the pantry to store different items and things, and I'm looking forward to opening it. I can't remember how many is inside the box, but this is, I just took one out so you guys can see it. It does have like the 4 levers on the side that you can pull open, and then just put the lid back and close it. It does have a rubber seal around the edges, so it's airtight. So I really like that about this. And again, I can't get enough of clear containers because 1, you can see what's in there, but then 2, it makes your space look so much cleaner. So really excited about this one too. And let's see, this next item I am super excited about. So if you don't know anything about our background, we're Nigerian and we like rice. So I found this item here. It's a rice dispenser. So when I go to Sam's Club and I get my big bag of rice, I can actually like pour it in here and then use this knob here to get out the amount of rice that I want, and put that in my pot or my rice boiler or, my steam pot, whatever it is. But I'm just really excited because I did purchase something previously to be able to store rice, but I found that I was always having to like take the lid off and then, put another cup measure inside to actually scoop some out. And it wasn't seamless, it wasn't convenient. So when I saw this on Amazon, I absolutely had to have it, and I cannot wait to try it. Like, I'm gonna do a review on this thing because for those of you who probably eat a lot of rice like we do, or eat some rice anyway, I think it's a really neat way to store rice. And so I'm looking forward to trying it out and letting you guys know what I think. But yeah, here you go. And And I also really like that it has this like clear meter right in the center, so you can kind of see how much rice you have left without having to open the lid all the way on top. Another item I got are these food labels right here. So I plan to use these on my canister and I'm really excited about them. I picked this design on purpose because it's really simple and it's clean, black and white, and I really like how it looks. Now I know that you can make these yourself at home, but it's one less task that I have to take on. So when I saw these, I was really excited about them. And it's just, you know, pages and pages of stickers of different types of foods. It even comes with like an index of all the types of labels that are included in the package, which I'm really excited about. And it also tells you like how many of each type of label that is provided in the package. So you know what to look out for and what you need as you're purchasing this. So I'm really excited about this. I like the font, I like the feel of it, the texture, and I can't wait to put these on my canisters. Next, I got this set of brass measuring cups, and oh my gosh, guys, they are super cute. So as I said earlier, the accent colors in my kitchen are black and brass, and so when I saw these were a must-have for me. They're just so cute, and I love that on the inside of the cup it tells you the measurements, but then even on the outside as well there is like an engraving of what the measurement is. So I'm really excited about these because my kids and I bake quite a bit. We make waffles, we bake cakes, we bake cookies, and I'm just really looking forward to using these and see how they hold up. My only concern is I'm hoping that the finish doesn't wear off. I did read a lot of reviews on Amazon and I did not see where that was a complaint for anyone. So I'm hoping that these hold up really nicely over the years, but that is a concern of mine whenever I'm working with metal like this because it's not necessarily its natural color. It also comes with the little measuring spoons in the set. And again, there's also an indentation or engraving of the size, except on the measuring spoons, it's on the edge of the spoons versus inside the bottom of the spoon. So I'm really excited about these, and I am really hoping that they hold up really nicely because the colors are just beautiful. Like think about these in the kitchen in the same space as like these, and it's, you know, it plays off the wood tone really nicely, and I'm just really looking forward to how this is gonna look in the kitchen overall, but also how they're gonna hold up as I use them. Next, for my Amazon haul, I have this utensil set, and again, it's a brass color. So all of like the spoons and the ladles are brass, and then it has like the utensils for like picking things up. The silicone part of it, of course, is black on those. I really like these. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how they look in relation to those measuring cups that were also brass. So for example, you can kind of see how they complement each other. So I'm really excited about these. To tell you guys the truth, I've probably had the same set of spatulas for forever. So I'm really excited to be getting a whole brand new set and getting rid of all of the old ones that are worn that I've had for a while now. It does come with a canister to hold it, but I'm not sure that I'm actually gonna use this because I don't know that I'm gonna leave these on my countertop. In my cabinet organization, when we were designing our cabinets, I actually had it built into where when you pull the drawer out, there is holders for where you can put in spoons and things when you're cooking, and it's right next to the stove. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and get these cleaned and dried and put them into that built-in storage that we created in the cabinets. I don't know that I'm necessarily going to use this specifically, but it is really cute if you're someone who does like to leave your spoons and ladles and things on the counter. Or if you don't want to use this, you could always use like a planter or a vase, something a little bit more organic if you don't want to do the metal on metal. But it does come with this, and I think it's really cute. It's a really nice design. I'm just not sure that I'm gonna use it, mainly because I don't leave my spoons on my counter, and I already have a storage solution for these, but look at how beautiful these are. Now guys, everything that I am showing you, I am going to link in the description. So if you're interested in any of these and you want to go purchase those items, I will leave the specific links for each of these items, especially the Amazon items, in the description below. The Target items, I'm going to do my best based on the description because I did purchase those in store and not online, to try to link those for you as well. The last item that I got is this paper towel holder. So it's got the brass stand here and a marble base. So again, it's just really simple and really cute, and that's why I went for it. I really like that clean look. I will say this though, when it comes, you do have to put it together. So basically it comes with the stand in the box. The base is not attached to the stand. So you will have to use the little tool that's included, it looks like this, to screw the stand onto the base using the Allen key wrench, and then you'll also attach your felt pads to the bottom of the base yourself so that it does not scratch up your countertops. As you have this on your countertop, you're able to scoot it back and forth and there's not that stone on stone grinding. But this is just, it's really elegant, it's really simple, and that's really why I love it. It's gonna be functional, and I just like the play on colors. So now that I finally have hardware on my cabinets, I'm looking forward to putting out some of these accessories and organizational things and really see the space begin to be tied together. So looking forward to that. Again, I do have more items that are coming, but I just got all of these items at once and I'm like, oh my God, I have to show you guys in case anybody out there is trying to do any kind of kitchen or pantry organization. Amazon's got tons of stuff. If you have found anything really cool, please link it in the comments below and let me know, because I don't have everything I need yet as far as my pantry goes. I think I finally have everything I need to make my kitchen like fully functional for us. But as far as the pantry organization piece goes, that's going to be an ongoing project. So please let me know if you find anything. And watch out for the next video where we are going to be using some, if not all, of these items to begin our decor in the kitchen, really transforming the space. I'm gonna take out everything on the countertops and replace it with the things that we actually use on a day-to-day basis and have it look pretty. And we will also style our glass cabinets up top. So until next time, guys, Joy Fam.